a spotlight on the ground shines a wall 12 meters away. So the wall is the wall of a building. If a man 2 meters tall walks from the spotlight towards the building at a speed of 1.6 meters per second, how fast is the length of his shadow on the building decreasing when he is 4 meters from the building? Okay, so let's draw the situation here. Here is the spotlight, and the distance from this spotlight to this building wall is 12 meters. But I want to divide the distance into two. The first one is from the spotlight into the man here. Let's name this as X. And from the man to the wall as Y here. But then the total distance of it is 12 meters. So we know that X plus Y is equal to 12. And the unit here is in meter. Okay. And then the height of the man is 2 meters. So this man is 2 meters tall. Maybe he is a basketball player or something. He is very tall, 2 meters. And then, of course, we have his shadow in the wall, right? And let's name that shadow here with this length of H. Good. And then the man walks there, right, with a speed of 1.6 meters per second. And that means that is the increase of this X, right? So we will have this one here, dx dt. And we have a positive number because the X here is increasing. So we will have 1.6 meters per second. And as he approached the wall, the shadow here, his shadow is decreasing, right? Because when he is on the wall, he does not have any shadow, right? So here we have this decrease, and we need to find out what is dH dt. And this should be a negative number, right? Because it is decreasing. So our expectation is this will be a negative number. Okay, now let's see what can we do from here. We have this green triangle and also the red triangle, and they are similar triangles, right? It's just the green one, when resized, we can get the red triangle. So we can use the principles of similar triangles. Similar triangles. And we can compare the base with the base and the height with the height. Okay, and the base of this green triangle is X, but then the base of the red triangle is X plus Y. And both of them is the base of respective triangle. And then the height, the man here, 2 meters, is the height of this green triangle. So I will have 2 here. And the height of the shadow is H. Good. Okay, now X plus Y is 12. So we can plug in 12, right? So we have X divided by 12. And that will equal to 2 divided by H. Now let's flip this. So we'll have H over 2. And that will equal to 12 over X. And then we can isolate for H. And therefore we will have H here is equal to 24 divided by X. Or we can have H here is equal to 24 X to the minus 1. Good. But then we are looking for dH dt, right? We are looking for dH dt. So we take the derivative of this H with respect to time. Okay, so how to do that? We have dH dt on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I will need to use dH dx because we only have dx here, multiplied by dx dt. And where to obtain dx dt we are given by the problem, right? It is a constant of 1.6 meters per second. Good. So we need to find out this part here, dh dx. Okay, we can just use the power rule, right? So here we will have dh dt, that will equal to, I will have 24, and we take this minus 1 to the front, and then multiplied by x, and then the power is decreased by 1, so I'll have minus 2 here. Then multiply it by dx dt. Or I can rewrite this as dh dt is equal to 24 over x squared, but we have the negative sign here, minus, then multiplied by dx dt. Okay, and the question is when he is 4 meters from the building. Okay, so we will have when y is equal to 4. But then if y is equal to 4, what is x? Let's see here, right? So we will have x plus 4 equals to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 8 meters. So when y is equal to 4, x will equal to 8. And then what we need to do is to plug in the numbers, right? So here we will have dh dt. dh dt is equal to minus 24 divided by x. X is 8. And then square multiplied by 1.6, because dx dt is 1.6. Okay, now let's calculate this, and you will get minus 0.6. Okay, minus 0.6, and the unit here will be in meter per second. Okay, and that is the final answer for the question. So how fast is the length of his shadow on the building decreasing? Okay, the negative sign meaning that it is decreasing. We have fulfill our expectation of this is a negative number. And how fast it is 0.6 meter per second. And that is the final answer for this question. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. And please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment if you have any feedback. Once more, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.